Hi, everyone. My name is Ken Blemmings, and I have the great privilege to serve as the Dean of the Honors College at West Virginia University. It is the custom of the Honors College to recognize our outstanding teachers, advisors, mentors, and students each year at our year-end ceremony. In light of the fact that there is no person year-end ceremony, we offer this short video to celebrate some folks who have particularly shined in this challenging year. You will hear from Assistant Dean Dr. Damian Clement, who will tell us the NATH Outstanding Honors College students, as well as the Outstanding Advisor. Next, you will hear from the Director of the Honors College Excel program, Dr. Dana Hebert Lima, who will report on the Outstanding Honors Excel Mentor. And finally, you will hear from Dr. Michelle Richards-Babb, who is the Director of the Office of Undergraduate Research, who will let us know the Outstanding Mentor for undergraduate research. But first, it is my great honor to recognize our NATH Outstanding Teacher for this year in Dr. Jay Cole. Dr. Cole has taught in the Honors College for many years and supports us in many different ways. Dr. Cole teaches courses focused largely on science fiction, but also has a keen interest in various aspects of public policy, particularly science policy. Dr. Cole, congratulations, and thanks for all your support. Now, I turn the camera over to my colleague, Honors College Assistant Dean, Dr. Damian Clement. Dr. Clement, the floor is yours, my friend.
Hi, my name is Damian Clement, and I am the Assistant Dean in the Honors College at West Virginia University. Today, it is my honor to announce the winners of the JNC NATH Outstanding Honors Graduate Award and the Outstanding Honors Advisor Award. The JNC NATH Outstanding Honors Graduate Award recognizes two graduating seniors for their significant achievements in the Honors College. This year's winners are Christina White and Jessica Hogman. Christina White is a senior who majored in biology and international studies. Christina's nominator indicated, "She reminded me of someone who considers the material at hand, finds where she can apply it in her world, and tucks it away for future reference. In that way, she is a wise learner beyond her years. I have not seen this in many of her peers that are finishing their senior year at WVU." Jessica Hogman is a senior who majored in history, world languages, literature and linguistics, and religious studies. Jessica's nominator stated, "I believe she represents the very best about WVU. She leads, she explores, she serves, she appreciates her path and her surroundings. Further, she's learned 3 languages, is a brilliant researcher, and a compassionate individual." The Outstanding Honors Advisor Award goes to Dr. Jin-Yu Zhang, Teaching Assistant Professor in the Benjamin M. Statler College of Engineering and Mineral Resources. Dr. Zhang's nominator indicated, "She provided guidance and support, helping me climb from my seemingly bottomless pit of despair to a place of new hope. She helped me navigate getting back on track, aiding me in my pursuits." Congratulations again to Christina, Jessica, and Dr. Zhang.
The Honors Excel program supports students through ambitious, independent, experiential learning. Each student is guided with the help of a faculty mentor that connects the student to new opportunities, provides disciplinary background and skills, and creates new paths for scholarly work. We are pleased to honor one of these mentors with our first annual Honors Excel Mentor Award. To congratulate our winner, here is the nominating student, Amelia Jones.
Congratulations to Dr. Nancy Coronia. From the moment I was in her orientation course, Dr. Coronia always encouraged me to pursue research. She enabled me to realize all of the different opportunities within literature research. When it came time to apply to the Honors Excel program, she was my top choice to be my project mentor. Having Dr. Coronia not only as my academic advisor, but also my research mentor has enabled me to reach new heights in my research because she pushes the boundaries of a conventional mentor and has inspired me to continue inquiry into the lost voices of the past by always asking, what's missing from the narrative? Dr. Caronia truly embodies what it means to go above and beyond. Not only has she empowered me as a student, but she has also enriched my life beyond academia. Dr. Caronia fights for her students and pushes them to reach their full potential. That is what makes her an exceptional research mentor. When my project came to a halt because of the COVID-19 pandemic, it was Dr. Caronia who went to bat for me and helped me revitalize it into something even better. Dr. Caronia is more than I could have ever asked for in a project mentor. She redefined everything I thought I knew about research in our field and strives to help everyone she meets, including the rest of the students she mentors. Dr. Caronia is the most deserving mentor for this award due to her dedication to her students and the pursuit of scholarship. Thank you for everything that you have done for me, and congratulations on being named the Outstanding Excel Mentor.
Hello, my name is Michelle Richards-Babb, and I'm the Director of the Office of Undergraduate Research at West Virginia University. Since 2016, the office sponsors the Faculty Award for Distinction in Mentoring Undergraduates in Research. This award serves to recognize, reward, and encourage faculty members who mentor undergraduate students in research and creative endeavors. Faculty members in 4 different categories are awarded. These categories are behavioral and social sciences, biosciences and health sciences, humanities and the arts, and physical sciences and technology. Cynthia?
Hello, I'm Cynthia Pacheco, the Assistant Director of the Office of Undergraduate Research, and I would like to congratulate and thank the recipients of this year's award. Matthew Kesson, Associate Professor of Forest Pathology and Ecology in the Davis College of Agriculture, Natural Resources and Design. Megan Light, Teaching Assistant Professor of Art History in the School of Art and Design. Amy Gensler, Professor of Psychology in the Eberly College of Arts and Sciences. And Professor Justin Leglater, Associate Professor of Chemistry in the Eberly College of Arts and Sciences. These faculty members went above and beyond to ensure that undergraduate students were fully integrated in their research teams. We are so impressed by their creative and innovative ideas that kept their undergraduate students engaged in research.